everyone. Thank you everyone who subscribed, like, and comment. So today we have something special for you. It's LOL Wave to GLAMSTRONAUT. You ready to see it?
Yeah.
Alright. LOL is a surprise for you.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. This is LOL GLAMSTRONAUT. It's from the what? From the STEM Club. This is an ultra rare from a Confetti Pop Series 3 Wave 2. There's a surprise inside. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
And also guys, if you wanna check out how I did this really super easy Play-Doh LOL GLAMSTRONAUT, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how I made this super easy Play-Doh LOL. And also it's a great idea for Easter because Easter is coming up. So you could surprise your kids, make this LOL Play-Doh. So this is GLAMSTRONAUT. She has a blue hair and a cool like a astronaut outfit on, and the blue shoes with the pink ribbon. There's a pink eyeshadow and she has hair in a ponytail. Alright, say goodbye to GLAMSTRONAUT. You could go ahead and open it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, GLAMSTRONAUT. Oh no, you cut it into half. Go ahead. And that's the shoe. Bye-bye, GLAMSTRONAUT. Hopefully we could find the doll. So you could see the surprise inside.
Something inside.
There's surprises inside.
Something. Let's open it.
Alright, go ahead.
Whoa.
What you got in there?
I get LOL.
I got LOL.
And I get Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy.
I get Kinder Joy and I get pasta.
Oh, which one you want to open first?
This one.
This is Whisker Haven. Disney Whisker Haven. And there's one mini pack. In the back you could get any of this. You have Bibbidi, Thistle Blossom, Nile, Honey Cake, Sultan, Windflower, Truffles, Brie, Macaroon, and Plum Drop.
Plum Drop.
And this is from Series 4. Alright, go ahead.
I'm gonna get this one.
So you want to get Honey Cake?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see. Hopefully you could get Honey Cake. What's inside? What'd you get? Oh, what'd you get?
What's this?
Oh, that's a cute one too. You get Thistle Blossom. You got Thistle Blossom. Whose pet is that? Which princess do you know? This is Thistle Blossom. She has blue hair and a pink ribbon. What is this? What animal is this? You don't know? What kind of animal is this? And it has a pink ribbon right there in the tail. And the head is movable. And not the tail. It has a yellow tail. It's so cute. Which one you wanna open next?
This one.
Wanna open the Kinder Joy? And this is Kinder Joy for girls. How many did you get? 3. Alright, go ahead, open them. There's chocolate and there's toy inside. Surprise toy. Alright, we'll see. So you can open the toy. Oh, you got a Disney one. Oh, you got Ariel. Let's build it. This is the checklist. So we got all the Disney princesses. And we got Ariel, huh? And this is Ariel, so we gotta build her. So this is how Ariel looks like. There's a purple shell. And the shell could open up. And just sit on there. It's super cute. Alright, you could open the next one. So this is the chocolate. Oh yeah, you got a different princess. The all Disney princesses. That's how the chocolate looks like. The white chocolate looks like that. Remind me of Rochero Ferrero. Kinda remind me like that. So we have Kinder Joy Disney princesses. You got Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel. And it looks like you got the pumpkin and Sebastian. We got Snow White?
Yeah.
We got Snow White. Let's build her. So this is Snow White. She has this gown. The bottom part is like plastic paper kind of material. Alright, go ahead. Open the last Kinder Joy. Ooh, you did it.
I got it.
A different one?
I got a Minnie.
Oh, Minnie Mouse. Oh, it's a different one. I thought it would be all Disney princesses. cool. You got the Minnie Mouse.
Bag.
Oh,
Who's this?
the string. Minnie Mouse.
Wow, no toy.
No, this is, oh, look, it's a card. It's a Minnie Mouse. Let's see. Oh, got stickers. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's like a bracelet. Okay, hold on. Let me read this. Oh, it's like a memory game. Oh, we got the different Kinder Joy. We got Minnie Mouse one. So you could get different Minnie Mouse.
What is a sticker?
Yeah, you find sticker too. You could find different Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck. And you got this one. It looks like a bracelet. You put it on your wrist, and it's a memory game. Like that. All right. Now you put it right here, and you could take this apart. See, separate them, and you could play the memory game to match the same one that you. See, you need to match it. See, and you could put this inside the container, like that. See. Cool. You could carry it anywhere you like, so you could travel with it. And there's a little string, and so you could tie it up for your wrists. And that sticker, you could put it right here. See, in the container. Yeah. What's the last side to open?
Oh, LOL.
LOL. Okay, ready? Catch. Open it. See. Do you need help? This one's tough to open, huh? Alright, you got a clue. What's the clue? What does that say?
There's a cherry in the bomb.
A cherry bomb. You're right, cherry bomb. Ooh, could it be? Alright, here you go.
Cherry bomb.
Well, who's cherry bomb?
It's pink.
Yeah, it's pink.
I want to get a gold bomb.
It's so hard to open this thing. You got a sticker. It's a tattoo. Alright.
Blind bag.
You want to take out all the blind bag first and open them?
The dress.
Oh, you got the dress. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh, I think I know who this belongs to. You got pretty flowers, pink flowers, and yellow dress, and green zipper. Go ahead.
Shoe.
You got a shoe. Ooh, it's like a white boots. White high boots.
Bottle.
A bottle.
A milk.
It's like a mint green, like a mint green top. Missing, have you seen Meow? And glasses, cool. White glasses.
Do it by myself.
Okay. Whoa, where's the doll? Right here.
I think it's somewhere.
Go ahead. We'll see. Go ahead, open it.
This one.
Yay, we got a Go-Go Girl.
Seven P.
We got Go-Go Girl. This is Go-Go Girl. You put her in the freezer and see color change. So she has pink hair now with a black headband, and she has a swimsuit on, pink and dark blue or purple. And she looks super cool, and she has a green eye. And this is the back. Super cool color changes. The color changes with ice water. So this is how she looks like. She has freckle on too. Alright, she look like Madam Queen. You're right, the hair. So there's Go-Go Girl all dressed up with a cool sundress outfit. She has a blonde hair with a light blue headband before the color changes. And she has a white boots. And she has the glasses on. And her eyelashes are so cute too. All over down there and there. She has the freckles in the nose. So cute. Hello. Hey everyone. Hello. So what'd you get from your LOL GLAMSTRONAUT surprise egg? What'd you get? Go-Go Girl?
I get LOL. And this one
You got Ariel
from
the Kinder Joy egg. From the chocolate Kinder Joy. And Minnie Mouse.
And
You
we
got
get-
Disney Whisker Haven.
and we get
Snow White.
one from the Kinder Egg.
From the Kinder Joy chocolate surprise.
I love that.
What's your favorite?
I like this one. I
You
like
like-
Paris Pet because I like pets.
You like pets?
Thank you for watching, guys. Comment, subscribe. Bye.
For watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.